get your Instagram profile card. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Instagram profile card. For that, first of all, you will need to ensure that your Instagram application is up to date. To check that, you can open the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon at the bottom right. In the search bar, tap on it and type in Instagram. Now search for it. Once you get the search results below, tap on the Instagram icon to open it. And inside it here, you'll be able to see the update button. If you haven't updated your application, go ahead and tap on this update button and wait for it to complete. If you have already updated your application, then you will not see the update button here. Instead, you'll be able to see the open button. You can simply tap on the open button to go back to your Instagram application page. Once the installation completes, you can tap on the open button and this will direct you to your Instagram page now. Once you reach your Instagram page, here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And by doing so, in your profile page, you will be able to see this share your profile card pop-up notification. If you didn't see the option, you may also tap on the share profile button right here next to edit profile. And then there you will be able to see your profile card. Once you tap on the share profile, your profile card will automatically display. It features two sides. One side shows a scannable QR code linked to your profile. When you swipe it to the right or left, you will be able to see the another side that shows your profile picture, username and bio. Now you can customize it as per your preference. You can tap on this edit profile button and from here you can change your name, username or bio. After doing that, you can come back to the previous page. You can also customize it further by tapping on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Tap on change background option and then you'll be able to choose the background from your gallery. Once you are done customizing your profile card, you may be able to copy the link of it, download it, share it to your friends, add to your story, send it via various social medias like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Threads, Messenger, Facebook or even Twitter. This feature is designed to make it easier to connect with others and enhance networking opportunities. So by following these steps, you should be able to get, create and share your Instagram profile card effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.